guys, it's your girl Mikayla, and it has been a while since I've like sat down and like really talked to you guys. I have a lot to say, but first and foremost, if you guys haven't seen the video, I uploaded it 2 weeks ago. B and Samari are here with me in the United States. Yes, and as you can see from my finger, wife out wife. Yes. So obviously, you guys, we got married. We got married on June 30th. Today is July 26th. I have been super lazy with like updating you guys and like getting the vlogs out, but I don't know, I really don't have any excuses. I'm just like lazy, plain and simple. I had footage from like way back in April when they first came up and like kind of adjusting a little bit, like little clips like here and there. So I just wanted to come on here to get like to do an intro and then do a flashback with like all those vlogs, well, with all those like clips and stuff. So yes, the clips that you guys are about to see are from when B and Samari had first came up here, and I think I'm just gonna do everything in one video with our wedding too. Intro is gonna be like all over the place or whatever, but yeah, I just wanted to come here and like set an intro to let you guys know like what's going on. So yes, we got married. B came up here on a K1 visa, fiance visa. So yeah, I'll be doing a video with like the steps that we did like in the future, but as of right now, I just wanted to get our wedding vlog out of the way and get all of that situated so that I could just start fresh with just like regular vlogging, you know. So yeah, guys, I did not vlog my wedding at all. I tried to like have the camera out to like, you know, get stuff, but like honestly guys, it was just like so hectic and it was busy, and you know, but I did get like snaps, so I'm just gonna upload like my snaps and stuff and like little clips of like what people from the wedding gathered to show you guys. So yeah, and then what you're also gonna see like after the wedding, me and my family, we went down to like the falls, so you will see like little videos of that. So yeah, we're gonna go into the past real quick. Good morning guys. So we're up early because like my grandmother needs to go to a doctor's appointment, so I was just gonna go and drop her off and bring her and wait on her, but B was like, no, in my car or whatever, he didn't want me to leave her. Granny, I called me right now. Hold on. Anyway, so we brought her to the doctor's and now we're waiting on her. Somebody wanted hot chocolate or whatever, so I just stopped at Tim Hortons and like I was just saying to myself like, yo, but look, family, just get Americanized so quick, you know. Usually it takes like Jamaican people, I'm not really saying Jamaican people, but like people from like different countries to get like accustomed to like fast food and stuff, because you know Jamaica have like real good food. But no, she'll come, sorry, she'll come though. So somebody, you like your hot chocolate and your Timbits? Yeah. Oh god. Guys, you know from when to go to like our house, you drive through a park. Somebody was like, you want somebody pop? I was like, it's cold out or whatever. So I was gonna go drop my grandmother off at work, and they have one little park here. So we run down, play with y'all a little bit. You enjoy your little 5-minute play? Yeah. Come, we at Sam's Club right now looking at TVs. We didn't even measure the wall yet. But we want some deer sitting up. I tell you, sometimes you feel like
Kayla, when you buy something,
what about this? Look at me, 50 inches, 380. That's not bad. Samsung. Crystal Ultra High Definition.
So that better than the series?
I don't know. I have no idea. Be talking about he don't believe in buying stuff 2 times, but I mean like if you buy it like a 50-inch for like $300, whenever we move, that can't go down my guest room or whatever.
No. So that's
somebody guys giving trouble in that Sam's Club.
Nah.
What are you giving some? You want to show them what you picked up?
Yep.
Take you up and see if you have something there.
Yeah.
You have a pack of socks. What else?
No.
A pack of pajama set.
No.
Yeah. But if he carry up all his like pajamas and stuff at work, so he has like other little cousins, because I like more benefit from them. So, but they really something there. Plus, we was like watching the space and stuff. So, yeah, we just come in, go get pajamas and socks for him. Yeah, brief. I'm already that shirt that them sit there. So yeah. So B's getting a new phone and just transferring this. So we're in T-Mobile and he just got a new phone and we're just waiting for it to be activated. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's another phone you get. B, how are you liking America right now?
America nice.
Why is it nice? Because I'm here. I just say it for you. So yes, up guys. It's been a while since I like vlogged or whatever. I still have like some Jamaica videos to go up. I just have been like so under the weather. Like I literally, as soon as I come home from work, I just like go home. I like lay down. I don't know, it's just like my chest. It's just a lot of coughing and stuff. So, how many times have I told you when you come in the car, put on your seatbelt? Yes or no?
On my seatbelt. Guys, if Sadara is watching this, Sadara, I'm on the road. So,
this will be the first like video, really, with like us being here. Like what, 2 days from now? It'll be 1 month since B and Samari have been here. It's been an adjustment. Alright, how do you like farm so far?
I love farming 150 or to 150.
150 to 150?
Yep.
I like having them here. As you can see, I don't have to drive. B, I do. I like driving. You see, I'm vlogging and you don't want to say nothing to nobody? Why? What's wrong? Why? What's wrong? I didn't get what you figured, so you know you're not.
Guys, if Sadara, if you're watching.
So we are on our way. We have a little bit of errands to do. Samari's out of his cornflakes and stuff, so we're gonna go to Walmart. I need deodorant, you know, just some little miscellaneous stuff. We're gonna go to Sam's Club and look for a TV because, guys, I don't have a TV. It's not like me can't buy a TV, because if I wanted to, I'm more down with buy a TV. But like, I just didn't see the purpose. We don't have cable. I just have like Netflix and Hulu and YouTube that I use on like my iPad, my laptop, or my phone, and just watch it from there. I don't necessarily need a TV, but you know, in love watching match them in cricket. They want to go on cricket or football.
Both.
Well, two of them are going, so instead of watching TV, you know, if it just lie down in our bed. We have a TV in that living room, but you know, you want comfortable and win a giant caco foot business in our settee and stuff like that. So we're gonna look at TV and yeah, hopefully we find something.
Mama.
What, Samari?
Daddy love watch cricket more than football.
Yeah. Oh, guys, guess what? B book upon cricket name. Was it Darren Powell? I say name? Yeah, we saw him a couple of days ago at like a little, one guy was keeping like a little party or whatever, and he was there. And I was like, oh, B, you made a celebrity. Be happy and just start laughing. You know, they was like chopping it up, talking and reason and stuff. But I guess Darren Powell, like somebody would like come up here like often or whatever. So I guess it will everybody know him around here, so I had no idea who he was, because you know, I'm gonna watch them something there. How was your experience with him, B?
Alright.
So yeah. He even asked when was our wedding, because he wanted to come, but he's gonna be gone by then. And yes, I said wedding, guys. I don't even know when I'm going to talk to you about that, if that's going to be like before this video or before this clip. But yes, guys, we're getting married June 30th. Are you excited?
No, you.
Excuse you? Are you begging me for marriage, you know?
So? How would I eat this?
Summer, I just opened it. Samari, are you excited for the wedding?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you not going?
Yes, I am.
Are you taking part in the wedding, Samari?
Yep.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm going to give. I'm going to give your parents the ring.
Samari, may I tell you, you know? Don't lose the ring, no drop your ring. Just make sure your ring them just reach down the aisle, yeah?
Yeah.
Cause they're expensive, bad, and they look too good. Like, oh my god, guys, like my ring is just, she is gorgeous. Like, well, two our ring, they're nice. They complement one another. Don't be, but who if I ring a little bit reminds her of yours? What? You must be mad. But say, guys, my
Daddy, how much you have said? And I said it's smart. Mama will look better than you.
yes.
You want none a diamond. Mama won't have diamond.
We reached Sam's Club now. I'm beat us a lagi aya for them to TV. Knowing damn well they can't fit in our room. And that's one for $1,200, 86 inches. And that be one. Guys, so we got the TV after being in the store for like almost 2 hours. It fit in a butt on be well wanted 65-inch, and that's what we got. But Miss Helen said it's not going to hold, so we will see. Miss Helen didn't want a 55, you know what I mean? Because like the room space is small. When you said no, it don't make no sense to just get something bigger and better, and don't you want something big for what you're sitting there. But I said, all right, get what you want. When it can't hold or when it look awful, me nah follow you if we gonna carry back or anything.
Just know I'm gonna get a big TV and that's it.
Guys, I would love to have a big TV, but I love to have an 85-inch or 90-inch. You know, a nice bigger TV. But our room is small. And me was like, oh, he don't believe in like buying something over and over and over, just buy something good and done. But me tell him, say, all right, when we like start life and like have our own place or whatever, that TV, the 55-inch, if we did get that, or 50-inch, that can go in like a summer room or a guest room or whatever. That wouldn't be like our TV for our bedroom or like a living room or whatever. But you know, we want a 65-inch, so that we get.
Somebody not go on the TV smaller.
Excuse you?
You not go on the TV smaller.
Smaller than 65 inches? Look, somebody.
Daddy.
Anyways, so obviously since we're on the road, I'm not cooking. I just ordered some Chinese food, so we're gonna go pick that up now and then stop at my mom's because B well want put this up tonight, so we're gonna stop at my mom to go get the tools, and then him and my stepdad are gonna something to be, you know, if we go by yourself, right?
Yeah, a 2-lane girl.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and then hopefully
Daddy.
it'll be up
Sit, somebody
and functional.
Sit.
But look where's gonna.
Wait, so B, when was something day TV?
B, so I saw West.
I don't know my north south.
Yo, me
things, so.
need to Google it and find out.
No, I think Rom always said like we live northeast or something.
Why son always
Right here?
sit
I don't
that
know.
side there?
I don't know. B, remember y'all go straight down Pine here?
Straight down Pine.
Yeah, like
Okay.
straight down. So yeah, as you can see, this take up your whole space. We have to sit all the way up our front because this seat couldn't hold. So B, if this TV go up successfully, can me and you watch a movie on Netflix called Mother?
Tonight?
Yeah.
No.
Why not?
Because I didn't want me to buy a TV.
No, me do want a TV.
You want a TV?
Yes.
So be like a TV and mash up, where you get for it?
Oh guys, I think like 2 years ago, we bought a 50-inch TV at Walmart, right? And
I want to buy?
yeah, me did buy
Oh,
one.
that's why you never want more in the order.
Anyways, we buy it at Walmart, right? But like, I wasn't thinking about like TV for go on wall or whatever. And mind you, my walls aren't like walls. It like kind of curve up. So me did catch a 50-inch TV from my Trista jaw, but the stand them, it didn't stand up. So it was kind of hanging on for dear life, but it did work. Then one day, it didn't just drop. And then you know me, I think at the time, be straight down Pine. Yeah. Me did tell it straight, how y'all got turned?
be one drive and we don't know a place yet. Anyways,
So hold on. A Pine Avenue this one, does it go straight down, sir?
no, Pine start like right here, I believe. Anyways,
Come here,
be careful because you know they might go something there, so you're just going.
Coming by me.
Yeah.
No problem.
Anyways, what was I saying? So the TV just dropped out of nowhere, and then you know me. I think it was like 2 days before the 30-day return policy. My granny something there put the TV. Good thing I didn't throw away the box. Put back the TV in the box until the people then say when they go for pull the TV broke and it not turn on. I'm gonna get back my money for my cat. Thank God for America.
Did they get back in?
Yeah, we get back my money for my cat.
Right. So how much you pay? About $250?
No, I think I paid like.
Police down there,
I know. Somebody sit back.
Somebody lean back in and sit.
We pay about, I think, close to $300 that time or $350. Somewhere around this. I did get it for a sale. So yeah. Some more.
I'm gonna give you a 50 last.
Some more. You're glad, don't?
What?
Guys, I guess it fit.
I push you back door now. You come on, that's not too much down.
Yeah, you want to push back.
Right back.
You want to push back.
Me can't make you go back.
Boy, make you 65-inch work, boy. Boy, long time when you never see me. Hey. No, sir, I need to do better. Guys, today is Wednesday and we get married on Friday. I just went to go start my hair, but we're on our way to go get the marriage license because if we don't get that, we can't marry in New York State. I don't know if any other state, but you have to wait 24 hours for something there. So me waiting freaking last minute or whatever. But I had to wait on his social to come in order for us to like apply for the damn marriage license. So I was like, oh man, I'm getting married Friday. Yeah, I figured me in some way, somehow, because they only do it like on a first come first serve basis or whatever. So she said if you come today 10:30, right now it's like 10:22 or whatever. I had to stop middle to get my hair. But yo, you like it so far? It long or could it longer? It long, 24 inches. And I was did I fret, guys, because I thought it was gonna be like short and I wanted something long. And then we come get beef. I'm be dressed up. I'm like, yo, you acting like we about to go get married now. And just sit here, we gotta go sign one piece of paper and call it a day. What could I go do this thing? You have a passport then? Hello? So, hey, we gotta do, guys. I still haven't even posted us coming up. Like, half of you guys probably don't even know that Beyond Samari is here unless you like watch me like on Snapchat or Instagram. I'm gonna need to do better. Every day be custom and say the lazy. I'm gonna need to like and granny too, my granny too. Like guys, I just be waiting last minute for everything. I wanted to see if I can get that uploaded before the wedding, which is June 30th. I don't know, we'll see if I can pull it all night tonight because we still have like a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the marriage license, go back and finish my hair, and we gotta do some little cleaning up on stuff. I want to get my toes done today. I have a wax appointment later on. My nails will do tomorrow. And then we have rehearsal tomorrow. Babe, do you want to say hi? You haven't talked to them in a while. Why are you not in the mood? You're getting married to me!
Yo, look where I'm going.
What do you mean you're not in the mood?
I don't like when I depend on you better if me did try.
Why? The bestest woman you ever have, and you're gonna be married to me in 2 days. You're gonna feel glad and you're hungry. Yo. Oh my god. So you couldn't cook for breakfast?
Right, if we get some milk.
What food?
Call Granny.
What do you call Granny for?
I'm shooting
Then when you go, you don't warm me up? Drop you off and then we'll go back with the beer.
Drop off. Yeah, drop you off.
What mean, yeah, drop me off?
Granny go.
For what?
Nah, I won't need one.
No.
Yeah.
When me done?
Yeah.
Oh no, I go clean up and do what something. You're not gonna fix the light and stuff.
What me say?
What mean what you say? No. Drop one off. She not even bed and sit there. Look like she still have to clean bathroom and sitting and stuff.
No.
on my hair is done. I like it. I just, the edges part, I think now I'm gonna make it come out and then just like straighten it to blend in my hair. I don't like how the edges look. But yes. I'm gonna come and be there and deal with a pork and stuff. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut these up for stew pork and then this up for jerk pork.
I gotta go grab them table from Bob.
Jeez.
Yeah, me call him to bring 2 tables. You say I parking lot. I come.
What is the name of that one? I got you. Go. Pose. Go. Pose. Kiss. Pose. Bring it. Pose. Pose.
Guys, I'm married. We didn't get any like. I don't know. I didn't have anyone to like vlog my camera or whatever. I don't know who got pictures of the thing. Look at my beautiful mother. Where's the cake plate?
Yeah, man.
Cake plate? Yeah. It was some pink and why? No, you gotta use it for the cake, no? Huh? You gotta use it for the cake. We're gonna cut it now? Oh, sure. You wanna cut the cake now? You wanna cut the cake?
In the relationship.
What up, MC? There's a bird feed. You have a bird feed?
Yes, they're on a bird feed. Oops. I say
That's all I'm asking about. Shut up. Well, yeah, they're gonna eat it afterwards. If you're gonna break it.
hold it.
I'm sorry for gagging. She's gonna put it in here.
They're gonna kiss.
Exactly. No, I think he's gonna put it in her mouth.
This is a Jamaican shit, mom.
Say
Like video and stuff. Guys are at the Maid of the Mist. I would beat the line. So we're gonna be up top. We're gonna be right in front. Oh, so we didn't need the ticket then. Here's the observation deck, our tower. Guys, say hello to the vlog. We're coming from all the way up there and we took an elevator from there to come down. Some right here. Yeah. You're scared?
Yeah.
Say hi to you too.
Hi guys, I'm on a cruise now.
A cruise? And here's a Canadian. You want me to say my red? Yeah, they see the water, Sam. Bring them on in. We're moving, guys. Up there, there's the falls. My head. All the birdies, geese, swan. There's a Canadian boat. They have on red. We have our blue. See the big falls. Canada. That's Clifton Hill over there. Yeah, say hi. Guys, the wind is strong. I'm tired.
Stop harassing me, wind.
The wind's harassing you?
Yes.
Went over the falls with Professor Mike Jackie and he survived.
We're approaching the big falls, guys. What? Oh, you videoing our picture? Where is that Sam? You living your best life?
Yes.
No, just here.
So that is the end of this video. As you guys can see, you saw clips of us getting married and how they are adjusting to America a little bit way back in April. Again, I am so sorry that these little snippets and vlogs are coming out so late, but you guys all know the saying, better late than never. That's my motto. So yeah, now after this vlog is uploaded, I'm gonna try to like kind of be like consistent and like try vlogging daily, but like it'll be like more like weekly vlogs or whatever, or whenever something happens. I really don't know like what kind of direction I want to go with this channel now, since I won't be going to Jamaica as often because my husband is here now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.